How to add multiple photos in one Facebook story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the create story option you see there and then tap on the select multiple option. Further, go ahead and select the pictures that you want to add as story in one story. Further, once selected, tap on the next option at the bottom right of your screen, and in order to add it to one story, you will have to select the photo collage option. So tap on the photo collage option you see there and then go ahead and make any required changes such as adding in the music or adding text, etc. You can also tap on the pictures and adjust their sizes and dimensions accordingly. You can also tap on the color option you see there and choose the background for your story. Once you are done making the required changes, tap on the share button, and with this, your story will be posted. So this is how you can add multiple photos in one Facebook story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.